Hello, hello, hello. Right angle trigonometry 5.1. We're up to the chapter review. So, in terms of the textbook, we went through all the way up to exercise 3I, and then there was J, but we're skipping J because that's 5.2 stuff. So, we're going into the chapter review, and we're doing only the 5.1 stuff of the chapter review. So, I'll show you where that is. So, if I just promote this, boom, 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 and you shall see that. Hello, hello. That is the questions that I want you to do. It is the multiple choice 4 to 7, 9 and 10, and then short answer 7 to 13. So it's not all of it, it's a limited selection. You can pause now if you want to write those questions down. But I just want to go through you quickly this little thing that I really liked provided in the textbook. It was a summary of our textbook. Here we go. Gonna just show this to you. Now, this chapter summary, it is quite detailed. And that's what's good about it. Firstly, it starts off by showing you, I have to go even smaller here. Bye-bye. Starts off by showing you about right angle triangles. So right angle triangles, Pythagoras' theorem, using it to find the hypotenuse, using it to find shorter sides. That's excellent. That's excellent. And it also has an application showing you, oh, you can use it when you got a tree, vertical tree. You can even use it for three-dimensional shapes, which is, we haven't covered, but this is the cylinder's height, and this is the diameter of the base, and this is a diagonal going through the middle of the cylinder. Like, there's applications for it in 3 dimensions and 2. Okay, but then in terms of trigonometry, that's down the bottom. So that useful triads thing, I'm surprised that that's not part of the Pythagoras one. That's directly connected. But anyway, we've got here SOHCAHTOA on the left. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, tan is opposite of adjacent, with an example here, 3, 4, 5. And it's good that they've given the example. Just, you can see, oh, theta, opposite is 4, 5 is the hypotenuse. That's good. And down here, the bottom here, we've got finding the side lengths. That's good. And it's given 2 examples. The one on the left, the x is on the top. The one on the right, the x is on the bottom. That's excellent. So x for this triangle, 7 cos 22, and you round it off. And the other one, and they've done it in 2 steps, same as we do it. I've been doing it, times by x, divide by the tan. That's excellent as well. The stuff bearings here on the left is actually 5.2 stuff. So don't worry about that. So what you do need, though, are these 2 things at the bottom. Angle of elevation, and angle of depression. So angle of elevation from the horizontal looking up, depression from the horizontal looking down, and those little arrows there let you know that those lines are parallel, which means these 2 angles are alternate angles. And the last thing here, finding angles, you definitely need that as well. If we've got this triangle, if sine of theta is 6 on 7.5, in your calculator, which they didn't show, but I will show you right now, you use the inverse sine, inverse cos, inverse tan. So let's get this calculator up where you can see it, and we're going to promote it. So all these different screens there, so many different screens. Put this over here because you don't need to know bearings. So what we have, clear that stuff. We go shift sine, and then in brackets we got 6 over 7.5. That is how they got 53.13 degrees to 2 decimal places. And then to the nearest minute, they would have pressed this degrees, minutes, seconds button, and you would have got 53 degrees. And at 7:48, 7 degrees 48 minutes, and you think, oh, 48, I don't have to round up. It's, below 50. No. 60 seconds in a minute. Our cutoff's 30 for rounding up. With that, gets rounded up, that's for sure. So 53 degrees, 8 minutes. Hey, that's it. I just wanted to show you that. That's all we need to do. for this topic. For 5.1. For 5.2, there's only a little bit more. 5.3 is the scary one next year. So 5.1, 5.2, we're doing well. It's time to show you those questions again, and we'll finish up with that and get that promoted over one. There it is. Multiple choice questions. Not all of them. 4 to 7, 9 and 10. And then the short answer. Oh, I'm all over the place today. This is what happens when improvising on the spot. Multiple choice, 4 to 7, 9, 10. Short answer, 7 to 13. Good luck.